good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 17. Jesus are the real vine. Me are one tree, the real tree where good fruit grow upon. And my father are the gardener where look after the tree. Him broke off for me all of the limb them when no bear fruit, and him trim up the limb them with bear fruit so that them can bear more. Uno get trim up already, and I just sitting there when me tell you make that happen. Turn with me, and me will turn with uno. One branch can't bear fruit pan its own. It have to turn pan the tree. A same way uno nago can bear fruit if uno not turn with me. Me are the tree. Uno are the limb them. Every limb were a part of me, and when me a part of, them bear no fruit. Uno can't do one thing without me. If somebody not turn pan me, them come in like a the limb them will get fling away and then dry up. People pick up them limb there, fling them in a fire and burn them up. If uno turn pan me, and if what me say turn in a uno, ask for anything uno want, and uno will get it. When uno bear enough fruit and show say uno a fi me follower, that way there, my father get enough respect. Me love uno just like how my father love me. Not turn away from the love we me have for uno. If uno do what me tell uno to do, then uno nah go turn away from the love me have for uno. Same like how me do what my father tell me to do, and not turn away from the love we him have for me. Me I tell uno all of them sitting there. So uno we glad in uno heart, same like how me glad in a for me. This year, how me want to do. Love uno one another, same like how me love uno. The best way somebody can show say them love them friend, if we give up them life for them. If uno do what me tell uno to do, then me and uno a friend. Me not call uno servant no more, cause servant no know them master business. Me call uno my friend, cause me make uno know about everything my father teach me. And uno pick me, and me pick uno, and put uno one side for bear enough fruit. The kind of fruit that will last forever. When that happen, my father going to do anything uno ask him for, cause uno my follower. And that's what me tell uno to do. Love uno one another. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.